Hi everyone, today I'll be presenting the design of my single product web page for the eShop project. This page is designed using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and a little bit of JavaScript for interactivity. The goal was to create a clean, responsive and user-friendly interface that allows customers to view all details about a product in one place. So you can go to the single product view by clicking the Buy Now button of products displayed in here. So I'm going to press the Buy Now button. So this is the single product view page. You can see the header in here and then the details of the products are displayed in here. There are two buttons in here, Buy Now and Add to Cart. This is the quantity input field. And we have the feedbacks panel. And this is the product details, brand, model and description. This is the related items to the product we selected here displayed in here. So this is the design of the single product view page. So now let's go through the code. I have wrapped everything inside a div class container fluid with a div class row. This sets up a full width responsive bootstrap grid layout. Inside that, I also include a common header using include header PHP so that header stays consistent with the rest of the website. The main content area is wrapped inside a div class column 12 margin top 0 background white single product. This section contains the full single product view layout, including the image gallery, product details, price, seller info and related items. Now let's look at the image section on the left side. I divided this into two main parts, a vertical image list for thumbnails and a larger main image area. The first column shows multiple thumbnail images using an unordered list. Each list item has a border and small margin for spacing. When you click a thumbnail, it triggers a small JavaScript function main img. To change the main preview image, then the main image area visible only on large screens. Displays the selected product image inside a bordered container. This creates a professional product gallery experience similar to Amazon or eBay. On smaller screens, Bootstrap automatically stacks these columns vertically, making it completely more mobile friendly. Next is the main product details section. I use column 12 column large 6 to make sure it takes full width on mobile and half width on desktops. Inside this column, I divided everything into separate row blocks, each one showing a specific piece of information with a bottom border for neat separation. It's responsive and helps the user know where they are in the site hierarchy. Below that, the product title is styled in bold green text with Bootstrap classes for font size and weight. Then I have a simple rating display with star icons from Bootstrap icons. It visually communicates the rating and review count without needing any images. This price section is designed to highlight discounts clearly. The current price is shown in dark bold text, the original price is in red, and the savings in gray. This contrast makes it visually clear and attractive for customers. Next, there's a section that shows warranty, return policy, and available stock, all using spanned elements styled with FS5 and text text primary for clarity. These are important trust indicators for shoppers. Here I have created a two-column layout, one for the seller name and one for the number of items sold. Each box is bordered and centered, which gives a clean, symmetrical look. Below the product info, I added a promotional banner using a bordered and rounded container with a small image icon on the left. This is this is a neat way to visually highlight special offers and payments related deals. I used red borders and text here to make the offer eye-catching without being too heavy. Then for actions, I placed three buttons: Buy Now, Add to Cart, and Wish List. Each button has this Each button has distinct Bootstrap color styles: green for Buy, blue for Add to Cart, and gray for Wish List, making them visually distinct and easy to recognize. The degrid class ensures the buttons stretch evenly across the column width, giving a balanced professional layout. Then I have added a related items section to encourage product discovery. It has a heading style with a bottom border, and below it I use Bootstrap's cart component to display related products. The card layout is naturally responsive. It adjusts from multiple columns on a large screens to stacked cards on mobile. Finally, at the bottom, I have split the page into two halves, one for product details and one for customer feedback. On large screens, they sit side by side using the Bootstrap grid system. On small screens, they automatically stack vertically. Here I am using labels here I am using labels with clear font sizing to make brand, model and description easy to read. The product description uses a text area with read only, which keeps the text cleanly scrollable without editing. The feedback section is inside a bordered and scrollable div. This keeps the design compact even when there are many feedback entries. Each feedback is shown in a card-like format with the user's name, badge for sentiment, positive, neutral or negative, and timestamps, creating a structured, organized appearance. The entire page is built with a Bootstrap grid system, meaning it's automatically responsive. I I I have used classes like column 12, column large 6, D none, D large block, and border utilities to control visibility and layout on different devices. Icons come from Bootstrap icons and the color scheme stays consistent, mostly white backgrounds with a clean constructing section. This ensures reliability and makes the page visually balanced. Finally, I have linked external resources like Bootstrap, CSS, JS, Sweet Alert, and Pay Here script tags at the bottom for interactivity and payment integration. So overall, this single product web page is fully responsive, visually clean, and user-centered. It organizes product information in a logical flow from images to details, actions, and reviews, ensuring that users can browse and make decisions comfortably and on any device. The design use a modern bootstrap-based structure with consistent spacing and alignment, which which together create a professional shopping experience. So this is the whole design of my single product web page. Thank you for watching.